want to show you all the app here. Up, let's see here. It comes with some instruction. Looks like a fuse box here, and a nicely packed. Look, it even comes with a little remote control, so you can change your color here. It's got 20 different colors, 10 different scene modes, 6 different brightness level, and it's mostly important. What I wanted was waterproof, and you can tell it's waterproof. Look how thick that material is, the LED light cover, and it even comes with some 3M sticker adhesive. And one keychain. You got some screws if you want to attach it. Attach it to your underbody here. These are actually bendable. So let's see how long these are. They're supposed to be about 47 inches. 47 inches. Yeah, that's about right. 47 inches, and then 35 inches. And this is another 40. So they're all connected here. Looks like the wires are long enough here. I believe they're about 6 foot. So here's your fuse box, and this is your wiring that goes to your battery here. The light here, yeah, you can tell this is waterproof. Look at how thick that is. Material. And DuC is a pretty good brand. They make a lot of lights. So the tools I got are pretty much just a wire cutter here, and I do have some more wire tie if I need it. First I did was I went through that hole, that opening, and I went through as much as I can with all the wire, and then I lay out the wire here, and you see the short piece. Is gonna the short piece goes in the back, and this long piece is the side, and then here on the other side will be, you can see the 47 inch on the side, on your right side of the golf cart, and it's going to be your front. So I laid it out like that so I know which one I'm dealing with. And I am gonna start. And one more thing is, you want to make sure the wires, I got to untangle this, make sure they're all not tangled. And I will leave these on, these wire tie and wire until you're done, because it makes it a little bit cleaner to work with. Maybe I give you guys a good view of what I'm dealing with. You can see there. So right now I'm gonna wipe it down here. Give it a good wipe. You see, and let it dry. Do a couple wipes a couple times. So we're gonna peel off the adhesive here. A little bit at a time. You don't want to do it all at once because you want to stick it. So I'm going to start all the way here. Well, it sticks actually really good. Let's stick it here and try to center it. Let's see. Give it a little push, Good push here. Put some more. Center it. It's actually really good. Might not even need water tie. And then it turns here a little bit, so I'm gonna do a little turn. Of course, you can't get this part to be even because you have to give it a little end so it can kind of turn a little bit. But I'm gonna put some wherever I can. I'm gonna water tie probably one here in the end, one here. Look like there's a spot here, and then back here. It's a couple of spots to keep it safe. Okay, so I got the very beginning. I got 3 spots that's water tie. The beginning, middle, and then the very end. And I actually couldn't get one more here. There was really no spot. I think the adhesive is pretty strong. It's gonna hold it. The key to the water tie is you don't want to block the LED light. So when you put on there, make sure this water tie is not blocking out LED lights. For example, like this one, you can see I got in between the LED lights, and you want them tight but not too tight. Tight where it doesn't move, but at the same time you don't want that damaged. The strip, right? The strip light. And then I wire tie the wires, you see here, to the brake line, and then it's gonna go all the way up into the battery. So try to make it as clean as possible. But yeah, that's it. Okay, so everything's all hooked up, and I'm gonna give you a run around here. You see the power block? I ran the wire from the bottom up. This is the power block, and then here's the wires. You got your positive and then your negative, and these two I know is the main power source, but you gotta make sure you hook up to the main power source, meaning main positive and negative, because you have 6 battery here, and you can't just hook up anywhere you want. You gotta make sure that's which 2 are the main power source. And there is a link below for another video that determines or show you how to find that out. You see my multimeter is also linked to it, to the positive, negative, and there is also a video for that too. But you gotta determine that using a multimeter, and once you determine that, just hook it up and you're good to go. And I ran the wire here and make sure you looks nice and neat, and it doesn't the wire doesn't get loose. And then I might tie this up a little bit to make it more stable so it won't bounce around when you're driving. But yeah, that's all to it, and appreciate watching, and enjoy the rest of the video for the nightlight show. Bye now. So I want to show you all the app here. So here's the app, and on it you can see all the special effects that you can get, or the scene they call it. You get movie, dating, romantic, twinkle, candlelight, energetic, breeze, snowflake, crossing, and rainbow. And you can see there's color you can change, and there's a mic. Let's see here, if you talk to it, it changes. I get the block that came with it. You can see here talking, and it changes color. You can adjust the brightness and everything on it. And you have do it yourself. See how it changes color. Pretty neat. But I would recommend it. It's really nice, pretty easy to install. Can't complain. As you can see, it does make the live car alive. If you use the golf cart at nighttime a lot, actually it's a help be on the safe side too, help you on the safe side. because the light stands out. Okay. Again. Just keep changing it so that you can see all the special effects. Okay, okay. Oh, that's cool. You read that one.